Fish Tank People, fishtanktv.com. The wee autocats are doing their job nicely. The Anubias was covered in algae till I put them in, black-bearded algae. They've ate most of it off. And there's even a new leaf coming here. It come quite slowly in this but. And this other Anubias only had one leaf. And it's got a second. It's just grown out quite well. They're just kind of tied into little stones at the bottom here. And then, well, not even stones, weights out the bottom of plant pots. It's tied in randomly. Well, I'll try and show you the autocats as well. There's a couple of them there. And another few here. I've got 5 in here. There are some cherry shrimp in here, but God knows where they are. Nah, I can't see them. Hiding. Or eating. One of the two. Well, comment, rate and subscribe.